Correct, sir. Okay, I request Dr. Preeti Metake ma'am to start the validatory session.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to one and all. I welcome you all for the last session, that is the validatory session of the quantum computing FDP. All are requested to put on their cameras so that we can have a online photo of all the participants.
Presentation, can you stop the presentation?
Yes, sir, we are doing it. Yes, many of you have done it. We are waiting for the others. Nice to see you all.
Nice to see you all. Thank you.
Please put on your cameras, those who haven't done yet. Thank you all. So even though it's a end of the FDP, but for many of us, the journey towards the quantum computing has started and many more miles to go. Now we will have a feedback session. In this one, I'll call some names. They will give their feedbacks. In the feedbacks, you have to mention your institute name, state. You have to give the review about FDP, and also your suggestions are always welcome. So now I request Dr. JVR Rajendra sir.
Yes. Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes. Good. Thank you, sir, for wonderful interaction from the last 4-5 days. And myself, Dr. JVR Ravindra, I'm principal and professor of ECE, Vardhaman College of Engineering, Telangana. Being a quantum computing, researcher, it's my pleasure to attend this kind of the FDPs in my even busy schedule also. But the way you have organized this FDP is really fantastic. But first of all, I would really congratulate the people, Dr. M.U. Kharat sir and Vijay More sir, for their excellent organization this. And I have 2 points in this FDP, because though we too have organized and attended several FDPs, but there are 2 important points I have observed which are really fantastic. And if you look at from the day 1 to till day, you have covered all the range of the professors. Like you have taken the inputs from the professors as well as the young ladies who are Dr. Bhavana, as well as one lady professor, Dr. Rubel from IIT Kottayam. So this normally covers, the professors covered most of the theory, and these youngsters covered most of the practical oriented things. See, this is always must be balanced. It's not that you learn only the theory and then leave the practice, and if you learn the practice and then leave the theory. And the professors really, I'm really, had a very good, interesting discussion even with Dr. Prashanta Panigrahi sir, ISER, Kolkata. He has given wonderful 2 lectures, in fact, and the 2 lectures were really amazing. And that is one important thing that I observed. And today's the session. It was really wonderful. Even in the hectic schedule, also I could really spend this mental and emotional development. 18 minutes. That meditation really helped. So I request one my suggestion is, I don't know whether AICT agrees or not, but they always ask us to maintain this 5 days, but at least half a day must be given to this mental stress programs, right? So I observed that in the most of the engineering institutions and other places wherever I go, this pressure is, people are really building the pressure. Don't know unnecessarily or necessarily, that's irrelevant, but we have to really look at even those things also. It's really wonderful, sir. Excellent, kind of things that you have done. I really congratulate all the team, and good luck to you, and keep doing it. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words.
Thank you, sir, for in-depth review or feedback. Mr. Prashant Kohli.
Good afternoon. I'm audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, good afternoon to all. I am Prashant Kohli from Gokhale Education Society RS Support College of Engineering, Nashik. So, I congratulate to all the organizing team of this FDP, and also I'm very much thankful to all, especially Dr. Kharat sir, Dr. Gumaste sir, and Dr. Yavalkar sir. Also thankful to More sir. I would like to thank to all the resource persons who engage all the time. Also understand the workshop showcase a wide variety of case studies in quantum computing application in area like AI, ML, and also the futuristic paradigm of computer computing that will be explained very nicely. I also understand that there was an intense discussion on some challenges in quantum computing. So I'm also informed that the learning experience in this workshop are the very crucial role in quantum computing. And let me finish by saying that you all are work very hard. In fact, actually the real work only start from now. So once again, I would like to thanks all once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Prashant, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Now I would like to call Dr. Jyoti Prakash Medhi.
Thank you, madam. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I would like to congratulate the whole team for your effort for making this event a successful one, and I'd like to congratulate you. And I have seen entire team working together for the workshop, and I have and giving us the opportunity to learn for quantum computing. And it was indeed a great experience, good learning experience, in fact. And as Ravindra sir has already mentioned all the details about the workshop and his feedbacks, and yes, it is indeed a very good experience to learn from, especially Panigraisha also. I have heard his name, but couldn't. I am fortunate to have him and learn from him. And all the hands-on session along with the theories were very nice, and we could learn a lot from them. And special thanks goes to Vijay More sir for accepting the proposal so that I can go through this workshop. And yes, one more thing I would like to mention that In our FDP, Vijay Murray sir have joined, and he have said about our management. But from your team, whatever you have done in this workshop, sir, I have also learned many things about management. So I congratulate you and your whole team for the FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Especially, I thank to Jyotish Prakash sir, because by the help of him, we could uh, request resource persons, valuable resource persons in our FBP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for
Thank
your
you, sir.
feedback. Dr. Anand Kumar Pandey. Sir, are you there? Dr. Anand Kumar Pandey. I think he is not in the meeting. Dr. Ajit Kumar Shukla.
Yes, good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to be part of the validity session. As already told, like we have been missing the lovely.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Your voice is low, sir.
Okay, I'll come. I'll try to come to near to you.
Now it's fine, sir.
Okay, so thank
It's
you.
okay, sir. It's now.
Thank you. Maybe I was a little away from the microphone. So I thank the organizer, coordinator, Professor Vijay Moreji and his team for having this wonderful opportunity presented to us in an online mode. I am Dr. Ajit Kumar Shukla, director from PSIT College of Engineering, Kanpur, and it's chilling out there. My expertise area is in mechanical, so but I love mathematics, so that brought me here actually to look into the quantum computing field, and which I feel we have to have so many test cases so we can prove this. So I enjoyed all these sessions which were there, starting from the concept and the total implementation there. I found it a good mix of the physics people there, and then the computer scientist people, and then the industry, and that made it very joyful. All the sessions were very enriching. The topic is advanced to many of us, like many of us there, but it was being presented in a very delightful way, and I found it very interesting. Only thing which I maybe missed is because it has been done on an online mode. So meeting with each of you and having tea together, that is of course is missed. And I wish, as Ravindra ji also has said, that maybe like a little ice breaking session in the beginning, so we can know each other, and then some interaction can happen there. So that will be a lovely time. But as we are meeting now, I feel that this will be a small community which will be working on computing, quantum computing, and we'll see that how together we can progress from here. So thank you very much, and congratulations to MET Nasik. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir, for your words.
Sure, sir. Thank you for your feedback. We will definitely meet in the future, sir. And you are always welcome to MET, sir. Dr. Srinivas Sonkar. Dr. Srinivas Sonkar. Sir, are you there? I think he is not here. Mr. Abhimanyu Sangre.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for inviting me to speak on this validator session. I would like to congratulate the entire team, Vijay More sir, and all the coordinators for organizing such a wonderful session on quantum computing. I was I like all 14 sessions were so informative that like we were stuck to the computer listening everything properly. And as Shukla sir has also said that it should be offline session, because when I was at PK, like Ujjivan City last time, when there was no COVID problems, so I've experienced the hospitality over there. So I wish again that the session should be offline. AICT and all the ATL programs should be offline. FDP should be offline. But the program, speaking of the program, everything was nice. So I would like to congratulate again all the members from uh, those who have organized the system, like Vijay More sir and his entire team. Thank you.
Sir.
Hello, More sir.
हाँ sir.
Yes.
Can I say something?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Welcome.
Very good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Srinivas Sonkar from Amrutwani College of Engineering, Sangamner. First of all, I would like to congratulate to convener of this FDP, Dr. M.U. Kharas sir, coordinator Professor Vijay More sir, and all the organization committee member. A very nice session arrangement done for this FDP. And all the session resource persons are explained very nice concept of an quantum computing, which will enrich the knowledge of an quantum computing, and how the quantum computing is useful in a current era. So all that knowledge we have gained, sir. So I would like to request to coordinator of this event to organize such nice FDP in future also. Best of luck. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sure, we will organize such kind of events further also.
Thank you, sir, for your best wishes.
Abhimanyu, sir, thank you for your words also.
हाँ मोरे सर.
हाँ, Pawan, sir.
Yes, sir. Pawan,
हाँ.
please
Yeah,
give
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Myself Pawan Hole, a lecturer in computer engineering from Government Polytechnic, Khamgaon district, Buldana. It was so tremendous, fruitful, and joyful of ocean of knowledge. I was so much thankful of all the respected resource person from various reputed institute and industry, and all the staff member of MIT. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Umesh Gupta. Mr. Umesh Gupta. Mr. Arindam Chakrabarti. Mr. Arindam. Mr. Ramakrishna Reddy Venna. Are you there? Mr. Dhaneshwar Suryavanshi. Mr. Jitender. Jagbir Singh, sir, please give us a feedback. Can you please unmute and give us a feedback?
Ramakrishna sir is also, I think, connected, but don't know how.
Okay, Jagbir Singh sir's mic is not working. He has given feedback in the chat box, sir. Mr. Basavraj Muragad. Jagbir Singh sir, thank you for your valuable feedback. Mr. Pankaj Agarkar. Dr. P. Priyadarshini. Any other participants who would like to give the feedback, they can come forward and give your valuable feedback to us.
Nagaraj Telkar, are you here?
Yes,
Shivanand sir.
Hello sir, am I audible?
yes, sir.
Sir, I am Professor S.V. Fulari, PDS College of Engineering, Manjri, Hadapsar, Pune. The experience of 1 week FDP on quantum computing was very useful for me. I learned many new things about quantum computing, which will helpful for me while delivering my lectures to higher class students, so that the student will be aware of new technology in engineering trends. I hope this type of FDP should be conducted every year with the findings in the subject. Thank you all the experts for having made it to FDP and updating with staff members. I especially thank entire team of Bhujbal Knowledge City, and as well as I especially thanks the principal of this college as well as Vijay More sir and Avalkar sir. It is all my feedback. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, myself, Rajasri Itkarkar.
Yes, yes, yes.
Should I?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am, definitely.
Myself, Rajasri Itkarkar. I'm assistant professor at AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, ma'am. Actually, I'm from the field of electronics and communication, and the word itself, quantum computing, was very much new for me. So this particular FDP or Atal FDP made me aware of the new concept that is quantum computing and the algorithms which are other used. Basically, these algorithms we do that is teach in our syllabus also. That is AES algorithm or RSA algorithm. We do have it, but not with much depth itself. But the algorithm as well as the hands-on experience which was given, I was not too much that is with the algorithms, that is the hands-on. I didn't get much with the hands-on, but this topic was rather new for me, and it will be useful in rather suggesting some new projects for the ENTC students, because this is rather a very new topic for the ENTC part. So it's going to be definitely useful for me for suggesting a new projects for my BE students itself. So I thank that is Bhujbal College of Engineering for giving me an opportunity to participate, as well as the coordination was also well. The session started in time, ended in time, and really the coordination was nice. The attendance, the feedback, and we didn't had any that is query or any difficulty in filling it also. Very nice session, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Umesh Gupta, sir.
Yes. So
Can
good
you-
afternoon, good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, Vijay sir. Yeah. So first, I thank to like the whole team. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So first, I thank to the whole team, because you have conducted a wonderful FDP for us. Because as we know that quantum computing is a new area to be exploration for the different BTech subject, BSc computer science subject. So I'm Umesh Gupta from Bennett University, Greater Noida. So I have attended this FDP as a name suggested by you, like quantum computing. So you already justified its name. Especially Bhavna ma'am have done wonderful work. So I really like her two sessions. Even Panigri sir also have done. We are very much think like that. We just get a number of things from Panigri sir. And I also thank to Vijay sir, because he is very energetic every time, like on the WhatsApp or in the session, he never look to the others, they will do it. So he said that like join fast, like just give the candy, okay, the hands-on will going on. So sir, really you are appreciable.
Thank you.
So sir, thank you very much. And I will be, definitely connect with your organization when someone, something will, some good FDP will going on. So definitely I will join. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your words, sir.
Thank you, sir. Surely we will be in touch with each other and work in this field.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Anyone from the participants? Now I would like to read some feedbacks which have come in chat box on behalf of those persons. Mr. Jagbir Singh.
अनंत कुमार झालं का?
Jagbir Singh, MIT Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Sir,
may I request Anant Kumar sir, Umbarkar sir? Anant Kumar Umbarkar sir. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Please.
sir, shall I read the feedbacks from the chat box?
Yes, ma'am. Please read.
Mr. Jagbir Singh, his feedback. Sir, excellent management of all session organization, especially More sir and his team. Let me mention here that hands-on on quantum computing with different tools was really excellent and learn a lot, especially Qiskit and IBM Composer. Thanks again, MIT College, More sir and Madam for organization such FDP. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I am actually part of Dr. Kharat sir's team. Thank you.
Dhaya CSC. Excellent organization to MIT and thanks to More sir. All sessions are very nice and Bhavna ma'am session is mind-blowing. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Dr. Jyoti Medi sir. Thanks to MIT College, Vijay More sir and his team for organization of the excellent FDP. Thank you again. Dr. Jyoti Prakash Medi, EC Guwahati University. Thank you, sir. Now we will proceed further. I would like to call our HOD sir to
Madam,
guide.
DV Patil sir. Sir.
Okay. Patil sir.
I request Dr. DV Patil sir, please say something.
Sir, as well, I suggest to take a call state-wise also, what was suggested yesterday.
Yes.
So that the participants can give the feedback and get the involvement up to the depth required.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Dr. DV Patil sir, please say something. Sir, unmute yourself. You are muted. Please unmute, sir.
Patil sir, unmute please.
Sorry, sir. First, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Dr. D.V. Patil. I'm working as professor and head at R.S. Sapat College of Engineering, Nasik, Maharashtra. And first of all, I would like to congratulate the organizers, Dr. Kharat and Professor Mori, coordinator, and all the team. Their time management was very perfect, and many times we were in a hurry to join the session. So that the most important thing I would like to appreciate. And of course, all the speakers were very knowledgeable, and they have given such a nice explanation of the things, how the from basics of quantum computing to how the quantum computing algorithm works up to the time complexity of the algorithm. So everything was covered, and it is quite appreciable. So I would like to thank all the organizers, and thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Nice to see you and hear you after a long time.
Sir, you are also the part and parcel of our team.
Yes.
Thanks for your participation.
Madam, whether Ramakrishna Reddy sir said something.
Ramakrishna Reddy sir, are you there, sir?
He is from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, one more participant from Assam, Dr. Jyoti Prakash Medi already said
Yes.
their views. From Chhattisgarh, Mr. Dhaneshwar Suryavanshi.
He is not in the meeting, sir. Mr.
Okay, okay.
Dhaneshwar Suryavanshi.
Madam,
Yes.
Ramakrishna Reddy has given a chat message in the chat box.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I'll read.
Madam, please read his message.
So many messages we received in the chat box. Shall I read out all the messages, sir?
Ramakrishna Reddy's message.
Okay. Thanks to all the organizing team members for conducting such a great workshop. Thank you, sir.
We are
Then Kishore Daide sir's message. Congratulations team MET for successful organization of Atal FDP on quantum computing. This FDP reveals all the aspects of quantum computing. All the sessions were really knowledgeable. Excellent session time and topic management. Special thanks and congratulations to Professor V.B. More sir, Gumaste sir, and Dr. M.U. Kharat sir for wonderful FDP. Thank you, sir.
We are having 3 participants from Delhi, Mr. Jitendra, Ms. Abhilasha, Mr. Umesh Gupta. Anyone
Ramakrishna sir is saying that gathering resource person is not an easy task. Special thanks to More sir. Thank you, sir.
There are 2 participants from Gujarat, Ms. Nikita Bhatt and Nirav Bhatt. Is there anyone from you here? Yeah, again, Mrs. Shah, Pooja Shah. Okay, another one from Karnataka. Basavaraj Muragod, Nagaraj Telkar.
Nagaraj Telkar is there in the meeting. Nagaraj?
Okay, from Kerala, there are 3 participants, Ms. Lakshmi Anand, Dr. Balu and Mrs. Ranjana. Is there anyone available here in the meeting?
No, sir.
Okay. मध्य प्रदेश से सारे क्या मैडम? अंकिता सक्सेना है क्या? Ankita Saxena is there?
No, sir, she won't be available.
Okay. Rashmi Pandey. I think I read the message of Rashmi Pandey. Rachana Tomar. Piyusha Narwaria. Dr. Anand Kumar Pandey.
Not available.
Okay, anyone from Maharashtra other than Nashik?
Archana Vaidya ma'am, would you like to give feedback? She was very active during the session.
Yes. I also suggest Archana ma'am.
She has written in the chat box, sir, congratulations Dr. M.U. Kharat sir and team for great efforts arranging such a nice workshop.
Probably she is having problem with the mic, I think.
Okay.
Might be, sir.
From Tamil Nadu, anyone else? P. Priyadarshini, P. Sudha, Ms. Kalpana, Mrs. Sujita, Dr. Anand, Mr. Arul Kumar, from Telangana, we are having 2 participants. Xavier, Acha, Ravindra sir, okay, you are given first. Mohammed Rahmat, Mr. Mohammed Rahmat. Elbir sir already given. From Uttar Pradesh, we are having Dr. Jayanti Pandey, Dr. Vandani Verma, Ms. Khushbu Roy, Saeed Iqbal, Gaurav Parashar, Arun Shukla. From West Bengal, we are having Kaushik Kumar Roy, Subhrajit Sinha, Partha Roy, Arindam Chakrabarti. Is there anyone among these available?
Mrs.
Okay, ma'am.
Krista Mary.
Yes, anyone else want to share something, some views?
Hello everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I am Dr. AJ Umbarkar from Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli. I tried to attend most of your sessions.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Namaskar, Karan, sir.
Namaskar, sir.
I actually attended the sessions of Gaurav, sir, in which I find that the research should continue because most of us from our Walchand College, we are having the high performance computing lab and we are offering that courses as elective. So quantum computing is the future, and being the researchers in this particular area, we must all address this issue in one or other way. Even though we don't have the physical infrastructure, but the workshop like this and the information that comes through the workshop will help all the newcomer, those who want to pursue their PhD. They can take some of the topics in keeping in this quantum computing in view and can pursue some new research. That is what I think. Whereas I don't find that the computer science or IT, we are offering this quantum computing as a particular course. It can be again called as a multidisciplinary course because there is physics. So the computer, IT, electronics, and physics people, they should come together and offer this course. And we must formulate this course and circulate what are the latest challenges that we are facing in India. So that is what I feel about after attending this workshop. So I request Kharat sir to take a lead, and under your guidance, I think we'll be able to frame the syllabus and few experiment so that something will come out of this quantum computing workshop. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Umbarkar sir. Umbarkar sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Bola. Yavalkar sir, I know you because you are our alumni of our college.
Yes. Tomorrow you are having alumni meet.
But it was postponed due to the pandemic, and we will be arranging it in some other time.
Yes, sir. Surely I will try to attend. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Thank you, sir. Nagaraj sir, are you there?
Sir, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are audible, sir.
Sir,
Please go ahead.
Good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Nagaraj Tilkar, working as an assistant professor, SKSMACT Lakshmashwar, Karnataka State, sir. I would like to thanks to MIT team for organizing such a nice FDP. All sessions are informative, sir. And I heartily thanks to all organizing members for organizing this event. My special thanks to Dr. S.V. Gumasta, sir, V.B. More, sir, and Dr. M.V. Kharat, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your words. Anyone want to share their views? Please come forward, unmute their mic. Madam, anyone is in your contact who want to say something?
Sir, I already read out all the names, sir. They are not in the meeting.
Okay. So shall we proceed for next agenda?
Yes. Now our HOD, Professor Dr. M.U. Kharath sir will guide us. Sir, over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. Am I clearly audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, from the bottom of my heart, on behalf of Computer Engineering Department, MET Institute of Engineering and Global Knowledge City, Nasik, I extend my gratefulness towards the all participants of this specific workshop on quantum computing as a faculty development program. I use workshop because some of the sessions were on hands-on practice as well. Though it was our just effort to get involved some of the hands-on practices as desired for this FDP, but some more hands-on practice is needed in this particular specific area, and very soon we may plan for other things as well on the quantum computing. See, while selecting the topic of this faculty development program, we had a meeting with all our entire team of MET Institute of Engineering, Computer Engineering Department, IT Engineering Department. We sat together, we discussed many other subjects as well, and we found that quantum computing is becoming the new era of research. Rather, I would say that now it is coming on the fast track. Though quantum computation, quantum mechanics, quantum physics, quantum chemistry, we have studied 20, 30 years back even. There are some of the literature surveys having citations even in 1990s. But now at a faster rate, this emerging field of the quantum computing is there because this has become the need of our society today, as we want many things to be processed at a faster and faster rate, and the research continuously which was going on and involved the researchers in the quantum computing area, in the quantum computing domain, now have provided us many more new insights related to the quantum mechanics, related to the quantum physics of this particular era. Now, when we talk about the quantum mechanics, quantum physics, it means that we are again reaching to the one step ahead towards the basics of the physics, towards the basics of the material science. And such a basics of the material science, basics of the physics, when we think of getting converted as an application through some of the upcoming technologies, then we come to know the importance of such things. There are many other aspects of the basic physics, basic quantum mechanics, basic sciences that we need to explore further. And quantum computing and this particular effort of organizing this FDP is one of the steps towards getting involved all researchers towards the basics of the physics, basics of the material sciences. So as close as we reach to the basics, we will be getting more and more interesting things like what today we have with the quantum computing. I wholeheartedly extend my gratitudeness towards all the participants, all the experts who have concerned and took participation in this particular FDP for their involvement, for their expert sessions. Specifically, I would like to quote over here the expert of the sessions, Professor Dr. Bhavna Rudra, Dr. Panigrahi sir, Dr. Pajgare sir, Mr. Bhatkar, Dr. Lindsay, Dr. Raman Jha, sir, then Dr. Prasanna Panigrahi, sir, then Dr. Kunal Das, sir, Dr. Gaurav Tripathi, sir, Trivedi, sir, and our today's last session conducted by Mr. Chirag Patil, sir. All these experts in their respective domain of the research, in their respective domain of the applications, we try to get involved from the IITs, NITs, IISER, triple ITs, or the renowned persons from the industry, so that we teaching community can get the benefit of such experts from the institutions of the national importance or the institutions who are working in the research areas of the quantum computing as on date. Those may be on various applications, including medical field, including finance field, including academic field, including the other research fields. But we try to cater all those requirements and try to streamline those in the form of FDP. All my entire team members have tried to justify their roles with their involvement, with their support for the success of this faculty development program. Specifically, the entire organizing team, More sir, Gumaste sir, Metange madam, Vaibhav Dabare sir, my faculty members, Vaishali madam, Deepali madam, Madhuri ma'am, and all other faculty members, including Sandeep Kahate, Vishal, Samadhan, and the non-teaching faculty supporting team. All have tried to justify their roles for the success of this faculty development program. On behalf of my computer engineering department, I am thankful to my entire team. I am thankful to the principal, Dr. V.P. Vani sir, who was the backbone for conduction of this particular faculty development program, for his support, entire team of our Electronic Data Processing Center, ERP, who have supported us in the background for the smooth and the well organized conduction of this particular specific workshop. Entire team of HR, trust office, and their all other members of their respective departments who have supported the proper conduction of this workshop. Very important is our mentor, Dr. Shefali Bhujbal ma'am, trustee, Sri Samir Bhujbal sir, Pankaj Bhujbal sir, all have motivated us to go ahead with such kind of faculty development programs, and I am experiencing their motivational support for conduction of such activities always. So on behalf of the entire team now of the faculty development program, including participants, experts, organizing team, I express on behalf of all our gratitudeness towards the trustees of MET Bhujbal Knowledge City for providing us this particular specific platform for organizing and smooth conduction of this faculty development program on quantum computing. On this occasion, I would like to announce one more thing, that in near future as well, we will be having some more interactive sessions on some other topics. If possible, maybe on the quantum computing with one more step ahead depth towards the technicality of the quantum computing. And very soon, if the permissions from the AICTE, Atal are granted to us, we will be ready to organize such good functions for entire teaching community, entire faculty fraternity of the country. Participants from various states who have taken up some time from their reserve schedule, attended this up to the desired depth of the faculty development program. I hope that they must have got the benefits of this particular organization of FDP, and if something might have gone wrong from the organization side, please excuse us for that, and I expect wholehearted participation from all of you in the upcoming events of our Computer Engineering Department, MET Institute of Engineering, Bhujbal Knowledge City as well. I am thankful to the entire organizing team for giving me chance to get interacted with you all once again. Thank you very much. Over to you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your valuable words. I would like to say that sir is always stand behind us in every up and downs, and he always guiding us, motivating us to organize such a workshop. So all he might have taken the names of organizing team, but behind all he is the only person. Thank you,
Yes.
sir. Now we are coming to the end of this valedictory session, and it won't be completed without vote of thanks. So I would like to request Professor V.B. More sir to propose vote of thanks, coordinator of this FDP on quantum computing.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, before that, if Gumaste sir wants to say something.
Yes, sir. Gumaste sir, please.
Yes, Gumaste sir, please. I would like to call Professor Dr. S.V. Gumaste sir, HOD IT Department, MIT's Institute of Engineering, to say a few words. Gumaste sir, are you there, sir? Sir has recently joined us. Gumaste sir, are you there?
अहो ते तुम्हाला कॉल करताय. Madam, there is
Yes, sir.
Dr. Gumaste sir, we are expecting some words from you.
I'm the in-house member.
Even though we are expecting some words from you.
Yeah, I'm in-house member of the FDP. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I congratulate Dr. M.U. Kharaj, Professor Vijay More and team with all computer and IT faculty members for their continuous effort to make this function, this FDP, a great success. Thank you very much. And there will be a kind cooperation again from all the participants in future FDPs. I hope so. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Shall we proceed, sir?
Yeah, okay, sir. Ma'am.
I request Professor Dr. Yavalkar, sir, to say a few words about the FDP.
to all.
Is at your end. Voice is not audible properly.
याच्यामुळेच इथून लेफ्ट करावं लागेल. नाही पण माझं याला कनेक्टेड आहे ना. नको, नको. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, but still echo is there. Can you please mute the other mics?
Now it's okay?
Mute, sir.
तिकडे घे. Hello? Hello?
Humming noise is there. I think multiple devices are there.
Yes, sir. It was.
Please, sir, More sir and me are sitting in the same cabin now, so that's it.
Now it's fine, sir.
Sir, you sit with the More sir chair and continue. Please make it fast.
Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Myself, Dr. Prashant Yawalkar, working as Associate Professor in Department of Computer Engineering. Of course, under the able guidance of Dr. M.U. Kharat sir, we have been organizing various activities. And the only thing that I would like to highlight here is that sir is very much choosy about the speakers. When the discussion was in for organizing this FDP, then he was continuously insisting on getting the speakers from renowned institutes like IITs, NITs, regional colleges, also the industry experts who are actually working on in this domain. And if you just go through the journey of these 5 days, then we could see that the knowledge that we got was definitely in the proper direction, which was giving us the theoretical aspect as well as the practical exposure, in addition to the tools that are being used. So thanks to all the resource persons who have shared their fantastic knowledge in the domain and made us aware of all these upcoming concepts related to quantum computing. Definitely this is going to be helpful to all the participants while dealing with the various sessions to the UG and PG students, also guiding them in this upcoming area. Thanks to all.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Professor Vijay More sir to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, madam. On behalf of Computer Engineering Department, MET Institute of Engineering, Human Knowledge City, Nashik, I, Vijay More, FDP coordinator, really thankful to all the resource persons who accepted our invitation as resource person, despite of their so much busy schedule. We all really great and feeling proud that we able to hear from all these eminent personalities from well-known reputed organizations. Our participants will definitely use the concepts and knowledge provided by these resource persons. I also thanks to our management, Principal Dr. Vijay Vani, our HOD Dr. M.U. Kharat, for giving permission as well as providing full support to conduct this FDP very successfully. I thank very much to AICTE Atal for approving our FDP on quantum computing and providing us an opportunity to organize this FDP. I thank you to all the participants showing keen interest to attend our FDP and attended actively. We are also great in the context that the participants are from all the corners from India. I thank you, Trust Office, Networking Department, Marcom Department, Accounts Office for providing all necessary arrangement to conduct this FDP successfully. I thank you, our FDP team, Registration Committee, Inauguration and Hereditary Committee, Session Management Committee, Feedback and Exam Committee, who continuously and effortlessly worked to make this FDP very much successful. I am also thankful to everyone who directly and indirectly helped us to reach FDP. Thank you all. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thanks to all the participants, and thanks to the participants who have given their valuable feedback in the chat box. Sir, would you like to give some instructions related to the exam to the participants?
Exam committee will, I think, highlight on this if they are available here.
Ahir sir, are you there?
Ahir sir, Borse madam.
Borse madam.
Hello. Hello.
Ahir sir, please.
You are audible, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, test will be, the link of test will be activated at 5 o'clock.
Okay. The message is from exam committee that the test link will be activated at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Yes, yes.
The same will be informed on the group also.
-9 indicates the phase shift, so -9.
Sir, one question.
Yes, yes.
For how much time it will activated?
Madam, it will be activated till all the participants have submitted the test.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that means it's not a time limit like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours like that. Yes.
Yeah. It will be like till 10.
Okay.
You till comfortably submit the test.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I seen the name of Lekha Surana here. Okay, ठीक है.
All the participants are requested to fill the attendance and device feedback. Link is already provided in the chat box.
So this session is the end of our FDP. Now we can conclude the FDP here. Madam, you want to say something?
No, sir.
कहाँ थी sir recording?
Yes, sir.